Robert Pracht, Etude number 26. Super cute little etude, and remember, you're trying to always play one note detached followed by the legato. So you have kind of a detached, I guess you can call it marcato, and then followed by legato. You don't need a lot of bow for this. You can experiment at a slower tempo and go bigger. But if you go faster, of course, the bow will get smaller. So on and so forth. So remember, the faster you go, the smaller the bow gets. The slower you go, the bigger the bow will get. Other than that, it's a very nice little etude, very cute little melody, and it's very energetic. I try to play it at a 80 click metronome, but again, you can move it up or down using the software to whatever is important and however you want to practice this. Well, again, I want to thank everyone who has supported me on YouTube membership as well as Patreon. I really appreciate your support because this would not be possible without it. So thank you so much.